So some of the emails have attachments in them. For example, if you were to open up this email, you can see that I got 5 attachments right here. So if you want to download these attachments or save it, that is, then you can click on the down arrow right here, and then you can go around and click on download. And what happens is that the attachment will be downloaded onto your computer. You can go around and save an area and click on save, and the attachment will be downloaded, as you can see. But you can see that there are 5 attachments right here, and let's say you want to download all of them. In that case, you can see that download all is an option over here on the bottom hand side. So you can go around and click right here, and what happens is that it'll zip out all of the contents right here and will download them all. So you can see that it is processing the download right here, which does take a bit of time depending on the number of files that you have. And now you can see that it is downloaded over here. So this is the file and the downloads, as you can see right here. So it does take a bit of time. This is about a certain size right here. And now you can see that it is downloaded. So if I were to go around and open this, then you can see that this is what you have right here. All of the 5 files are here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and save attachments by downloading them, or download all of the attachments at once as well inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.